Hey there, YouTube. I got a super quick why am I under this car video. So I have a 2008 Pontiac Vibe and the heat shield has come completely undone. So these bolts were tight, but this was just all the way through like that. And all four corners, there's 4 bolts, were loose, and this thing was just sitting on the muffler, just rattling and having a good old time. Originally I could not get these bolts off. They were very rusted. But what really helped me get them off was to use a wire brush on the threads. And then a little MAPP gas. So a little combination of the two. But overall, this job did not take that long. I do note that the orientation of this, if you take this shield off, which you're probably going to want to get the torque to get these bolts off, or these nuts off, the orientation is the short side goes towards the front of the car. Short side goes towards the front, long side goes towards the back. Got myself a wire brush, got myself some fire wrench, good old MAPP gas. Do not use propane, use MAPP gas. Got this off and we're gonna get it patched up with some new washers. Alright, so we got the new 4 nuts on. Well, I shouldn't say new nuts, they're the old nuts, but with new shiny washers. And so this should hold for the life of the car, in theory. So I hope this video gives you the courage to tackle this. I had this vibrating for about a week before I decided to crawl under here. And it only cost 4 washers, considering I already had the MAPP gas. But, alrighty, thanks for watching.